Rolling through the city on these 4G skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Alright, y'all can just about imagine what time it is. This is a 215 box made for Resilient Sounds Gold. I got all my pieces cut up. It's gonna be a slot port. I'm gonna go down and get to putting this thing together, get my man's right so he can quit whining like a baby. Yeah, shouts out to you, bro. But yeah, man, let's go on and get started and get some piece and bass going. Alright, so I got the front, the back, the sides, the port. Just gotta clean it out, sand it down a little bit, add me a 45 so that way the air can travel and flow through. Put the top on, find my center. Well, I ain't gonna need to find the center. I'm gonna push the subs all the way as far back from the port as possible, so they might be sitting over here. Now I'm just gonna center them, keep them centered, so you know my man's won't be tripping out. All right, well, on to the next. This box turned out real nice. On. You need a battery box over here. Get something to prop this down right here so that you know this airflow will flow. That's at least 6 inches from the gap from the trunk. We got a little more room to push back, so that's cool.